interesting. I can't like label it like news or something.
Oh, I don't know what they do.
Neither do I.
I'm also going to be ignorant of my commentary.
All the old
Oh
dragons.
shit, Peter Smith commentary.
All the old dragons. I know, you stop Aton this year. You're warning, wait for Aton. You're warning, hold Aton. Daily Aton. That's what I know. That's what I was told about the
Any shout-outs, Jules?
I think it's still do that. Before that.
Like, tell them how to beat my deck and shit?
I don't know what the
I
cards
don't know what any of the cards do.
Someone told me, I was like, how do you beat that deck? They're like, kill Aton. Like, okay.
These are cards off the my main deck.
Kill your first one, Herodotus?
You're right.
It's like fucking wind-up. Kills the mighty.
Why would I main deck these cards?
It's not over when you kill somebody.
I know it's not over.
Well, their turn's over at least.
Yeah, well, when you kill somebody, you feel like
I roll, sir?
Sure. You know you can't get Yugioh now.
I got a 4.
Alright, I guess that's
Come on, man.
Because I don't main deck.
Oh, Armand, what happened to table hunters? They screwed him up.
You screwed him up. What happened?
in the samurai game.
There's moth guards.
Hey, you never know. Yo, I saw Duel. You ever pick a wind up?
Yeah, I got
Decided the hero was like.
I saw his glad side of it. That was funny.
Yugioh players, welcome to round 2. You have 40 minutes. Hey, Martin, we already knew that. Does it better.
How many rounds was it?
I ain't yelling.
That's
I
okay.
don't feel like
I'll use the effect. I'll warn.
Someone used the effect.
Damn, the extra 500.
Oh, what do I want to do here?
I didn't get a kill once there.
No.
Is there?
Effect.
Force Luke's here.
Pussy.
I'll give him a heads up. Heads up.
Your second mirror was too obvious there.
No shit. This is just saying your mirror first. That was a really good play. I liked everything about that, McCabe.
Go.
Off the top.
Good.
Every time last week, it was like,
You started an enormous fight.
Thick, right?
Hey. Stop that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Attack it. Take 4.
Shit. Yeah.
So you got a rat, right?
Yeah, it's all sure did.
Oh, that's where you had face down?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
that's terrible.
I know you had to
I was thinking, but then he pulled out his cards. So I was gonna solve just the heavy. Just done.
Someone went for the
Ban heavy storm on time.
Stopping all that.
See what happened to this game?
Safe, huh?
This is a very good game.
Dude,
No,
safe.
it's not. Ryan will simply rip his opponent in the coming turns. McCabe is taking a very long time to summon his mighty. His mains. Should take this long.
That's what he was, huh? Okay.
Oh shit.
No, then again, every dino rabbit that confused me playing Rescue Do you want to know something? I actually have a build that actually works well. The first turn Shockmaster, he just had Dark Bolt.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the Dino Rabbit. No, oh, the Dino Rabbit.
that was December 3rd.
No, seriously, once Heliotrope comes out, it's next chaos. It's just chaos.
Good. It's not enough to kill. Never landed.
Should be. Bet.
You son of a bitch. Did you all like shark?
That's honestly, I find it friggin' hilarious.
Is that honest? Or, it's honest. Just be.
Oh, yeah, no, that was where
I'm going.
Say no. Don't worry about
the
it.
29. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Attack.
Well, you killed Snowman Eater. Then died. The dragon got eaten by the snowman. by that freaking,
That was
like, that
not
reptilian thing underneath. The snowman.
That's fine, that.
Shape 50.
Alright, I'm good.
Damn, this has been wrong somewhere.
You see this little thing about when you grab
So he's 0-0
You got killed?
He got killed.
Oh,
I was going was just gonna kill
yeah, I was about to say.
die.
I assumed because I was like, that couldn't be the right play.
Oh, it was 850.
He
Yeah.
couldn't tell me his ramp either.
That's how I
No, you
should have
we
defense,
don't have any more things.
I always
We don't have any more
take
targets for that.